Welcome back. Today we're making spring lavender cupcakes.
Even though it's freezing and we're wearing turtlenecks.
We're using Nigella Lawson's lavender cupcake recipe. So let's get started.
Okay, go, ASAP.
Half a cup of softened butter. And the reason why they're lavender flavored is because a few days ago we mixed dried lavender with white sugar, and you put that in a jar and let it sit for a few days. When it comes out,
you sift it. Oh yeah, it's so pretty.
Okay, so you mix that. Half a cup of lavender sugar with half a cup of butter.
Easy, simple.
Okay, once you cream the butter and the sugar, we're gonna add the eggs.
We're gonna, again you said gonna.
We're gonna add the eggs.
That's right.
And number 2. After, I'll let you mix that one.
Oh, okay.
Very good mixing.
Thank you.
Let's see if I can do it.
And toss.
Okay. We will add half a cup of flour. That's why this recipe is so simple. It's half a cup of flour, half a cup of butter, half a cup of sugar, 2 eggs.
And well, there's a 2.
Yeah, true. Stir, stir, stir.
Stir, stir.
Is a few tablespoons of milk.
Between 2 and 3.
So you see, yeah, we'll just do the whole thing. So that's 3 tablespoons of milk. And we are making mini cupcakes, so they're already buttered.
And the oven is already warm. There we go, perfect.
And now, scoop. All right, oven is preheated to 200 degrees Celsius, which is just under 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Pop them in for about 20 minutes. Okay, so while we wait, we're gonna make the icing for the cupcakes.
Yes.
We don't follow normally an exact recipe for this.
Nigella's
was royal icing.
But we wanted a buttercream. We like buttercream.
Yeah.
We'll start with
that's about a cup.
Maybe a bit more.
Icing sugar.
Yes.
And then this is like half a cup of butter.
If it doesn't work, you could just add more either way to make it work.
Then, normally we put vanilla, but because we don't want to take away from the taste of the lavender, we're not putting it.
Right.
But we will add a little bit of cream. This is heavy cream.
This is heavy 35% cream.
That was about a teaspoon. If
this
it's too watery,
too buttery,
add
a little bit more icing sugar.
To get the lavender color, we are doing art.
Right.
1 red and 1 blue.
Okay.
We did do a little color test with lavender color, but it's also a little bit
too thin.
We're gonna add a teensy bit more.
There.
Just to thicken it up a bit. Try not to eat it all while you're waiting for the cupcakes to be ready. Okay, we just checked and it's faster than 20 minutes.
Right, so it's always important to check because everyone's oven is different.
And then put them on the cooling rack, like this.
Yeah. See how nicely they all came out?
Well, there we go. And look how perfect they are, cute little guys. Let them cool for a little bit and we'll be back to ice them. And now, some recipes want you to cut the tops off.
Oh,
or
right.
Nigella says cut the tops off.
So we're leaving the tops on.
Look how pretty it is.
Dee-dee.
And there you have it. Lavender cupcakes.
Bye. Oh, I saw that.